How to use Blossom Social app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Blossom Social app combines investing and community, helping you learn from real investors and share insights in one place. But most beginners misuse it and lose both time and money. Here's how to do it right. The first mistake is following every popular trade. Blossom lets users post their portfolios and moves, but not everyone you follow has the same goals or risk tolerance. Always research before copying. Next, don't ignore the Learn section. Blossom provides free educational content and insights from verified investors. Skipping it is like having free mentorship and walking away. Another mistake, treating Blossom like social media. This isn't about likes, it's about learning. Focus on value-driven discussions and insights that align with your financial plan. Pro tip, build your profile transparently. Track your own performance so others can share constructive feedback. It's how the community grows together. And here's the surprising truth: people who engage actively and share data-backed ideas tend to improve their returns over time. Used properly, Blossom Social becomes more than an app, it's your collaborative investing classroom, helping you make smarter, more confident financial moves every day.